Click on the link below to get price. The Hunter ICDHP Handheld Decoder Programmer for ICD is a game changer for anyone involved in irrigation management or landscape maintenance. As an essential tool for professionals in the field, it offers a combination of ease of use, efficient programming capabilities, and reliable performance. One of the standout features of the ICDHP is its ergonomic design, which allows users to comfortably operate the device for extended periods without fatigue. The LCD screen is bright and clear, making it easy to navigate through menus and settings even in bright sunlight. This is particularly useful for landscape professionals who often work outdoors. Programming decoders has never been simpler. The ICDHP provides intuitive step-by-step instructions for setting up new decoders or modifying existing ones. The ability to program multiple decoders simultaneously saves valuable time, which is crucial during busy workdays. The device is compatible with a wide range of Hunter irrigation products, ensuring versatility and making it an essential addition to any irrigation toolkit. Another remarkable feature is the extensive memory capacity of the ICDHP, which can store multiple site configurations. This is especially handy for professionals managing multiple properties, as it eliminates the need to repeatedly input the same settings. Additionally, the built-in diagnostics function allows users to quickly troubleshoot and resolve issues, minimizing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. Battery life is robust, allowing for long hours of use without frequent recharging. The ICDHP is also built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, with a rugged exterior designed to resist water and dust, which is a significant advantage for those working in various weather conditions. In summary, the Hunter ICDHP Handheld Decoder Programmer offers exceptional functionality, user-friendly operation, and durability. Its features are tailored to meet the demands of modern irrigation management, making it a worthwhile investment for landscape professionals looking to enhance efficiency and ensure system reliability. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to irrigation, the ICDHP is an indispensable tool that simplifies the programming process.